Administrative Management College at Bangalore is popularly known as AMC. The institution was started in 1984 with the basic affiliation from the Newport University, California, under the leadership of the Dr. Dalton, who has really helped our country in promoting the higher education, especially in the management. We were able to open examination centers of Newport University to the extent of 74 centers and spread the management education. We were the pioneers in developing this management education in the private sector. At Paramahamsa Foundation, a trust was registered in 1993. We were able to establish a management college under the Bangalore University, first time in the private sector. And since then, we were able to establish more than 10 institutions at different levels. And now today we have schools, we have PU colleges, we have degree colleges, we have postgraduate centers and an engineering college with MTech programs. After 25 years of my existence in these institutions, my dream has come through by the institution started securing the 5 to 10 ranks every year. That proves the quality of the education provided by the institution. We were also extremely happy to provide a quality education at an affordable cost.
Our teachers are highly qualified, friendly and helpful to the students.
AMC stands for 25 years of academic excellence in delivering quality education. Our academic environment inspires the students for an easy learning process. We focus our students from the day one for a corporate requirement. The moment the student joins in our college, we take a SWOT analysis. Based on his strengths and weaknesses, we create a portfolio of his academic activities as well as extracurricular activities. Based on that, we carve them to prepare for the corporate requirement.
Administrative Management College is proud to bag 2 first ranks and 1 second rank in the areas of computer science and biotechnology. We congratulate all the students for their success. It is a fine encouragement and support from all the professors to make the institution different.
AMC Engineering College constantly getting VTU ranks. This time we have achieved 9 VTU ranks. The entire credit goes to benevolent management, quality teachers and excellent students.
Advanced Management College, true to its name, has earned a significant place among the B schools due to hard working and committed professors, excellent infrastructure and a good placement record. To sustain this excellence, we have the Kaizen principle, the continuous improvement.
Our academic principles are objective oriented. We recruit and retain professors for a long run, enabling them to be the mentors for students' career.
The labs and equipments here are really of high quality. No knowledge is complete without practical learning. AMC aims at teaching its students the best of both the worlds.
The learning process at AMC is very interactive. Case studies, seminars and workshops are common here.
Laptops and the Wi-Fi are the way of life here.
Teachers are friendly and cordial.
The learning process at AMC is highly inspiring.
The technical seminars and conferences help us connect to the world of technology, and the research centers at AMC help us apply our knowledge in the real world.
AMC College is of national repute. Students from all over India enjoy an environment of academic excellence.
The bank of books and the online journals take us into the world of knowledge. Books, as they say, are man's best friend, is taken utmost care of at this place. Books connecting various areas of technology are easily available at our convenience here.
Many MNCs visit our campus and recruit before we graduate. It is the right place for soft skills and core development process. It is the path that one would choose for a very bright future.
It's not all about studies. The life at AMC is very enriched through sports and cultural events. We have facilities for all kinds of sports, from cricket to football to volleyball and many more.